The only workout routine you'll ever need after 40, 50, or 60. Turning 50 doesn't mean getting weaker. It means it's time to train smarter. What if just a few simple moves could boost your energy, fix your posture, wake up forgotten muscles, and rebuild the strength you thought was gone? This powerful routine is designed for real transformation, and exercise number 4 is the game changer. It's the one move that unlocks mobility, shields you from injury, and brings back the strength you haven't felt in years. Want to feel strong, confident, and alive again? Stick around, because this routine might just change your body and your life. Push-ups are the upper body power builder. Push-ups are the king of bodyweight exercises, and science backs it up. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core, all in one move. As you age, muscle mass and bone density naturally decrease. Push-ups counter that by boosting upper body strength and stimulating testosterone production. Yes, even after 50. Push-ups sculpt your upper body, strengthen your joints, boost heart health, and improve posture, so you feel stronger, more confident, and energized with every rep. How to do it right. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart, tighten your core, lower slowly, and push back strong. Start with wall or knee push-ups if you're a beginner. Lunges are the balance and leg strength restorer. Lunges aren't just leg exercises, they're age reversers. They target your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, while also sharpening balance and coordination, which declines with age. According to physical therapy research, lunges are excellent for joint stabilization and preventing falls in older adults. Lunges give you powerful legs, unlock tight hips, and build rock-solid balance, so you can walk taller, move smoother, and feel 20 years younger with every step. How to do it right. Step forward, bend both knees to 90 degrees, and push back to the starting point. Switch legs. Go slow. Control builds strength. High knees is the heart and core activator. This move wakes up your entire body. High knees raise your heart rate, improve circulation, and fire up your abs and hip flexors. They're often used in rehabilitation to regain cardio strength and endurance after 50. High knees torch belly fat, skyrocket your energy, and sharpen your balance and endurance, making you feel lighter on your feet, quicker in your movements, and more alive than ever. How to do it right. Stand tall. Lift one knee as high as you can, then the other, at a brisk pace. Keep your core tight and arms pumping. Squats are the king of lower body strength. Squats are the foundation of youthful strength. Why? They activate the largest muscles in your body, glutes, quads, hamstrings, and trigger muscle-building hormones like growth hormone and testosterone, even in your 60s. Squats improve knee health, hip flexibility, and metabolism. Squats build unstoppable leg strength, fire up your metabolism, and make everyday tasks effortless, from climbing stairs to getting up with power and ease. How to do it right. Feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips like sitting on a chair. Keep your chest up and rise. Do it slow and deep for best results. Why this routine works. Backed by science. After 40, your body naturally starts losing muscle, bone density, and metabolic rate. But research shows that functional bodyweight movements like these can stimulate muscle growth, rebuild joint strength, and restore balance. They also reduce inflammation, improve brain function, and elevate mood by releasing endorphins. This isn't just a workout, it's your path to reversing time. And the best part? You don't need a gym, heavy weights, or fancy equipment, just your body, a bit of space, and a decision to start. If you're over 40, this isn't optional, it's essential. Start this 4-move routine today. In just a few weeks, you'll notice the difference. More energy, better sleep, stronger muscles, a younger, more confident you. Drop a comment below and tell us which exercise hit home for you. Was it the squats, the push-ups, or something else? Share this video with someone who needs to feel strong again. You might just change their life. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we've got powerful, age-defying workouts coming your way every week.